agents of the great outdoors.
Come in, agents of the great outdoors. Are you ready for a super secret spy mission?
Agent Daisy is ready.
Count the mouse agent in, man.
Now, okay. You know what? I'm okay, baby. Agent Hal is almost ready. Ready. What's our super secret spy mission for today, Agent Nature Cat? I didn't get that far in my thought process. I was just so super excited to play this game. Okay, let me think. Today's super secret spy mission is... Today's super secret spy mission is... Today's super secret spy mission is... Oh, how can I concentrate on a super secret spy mission with all these animals making noise? You're right, Captain. Hey, animals! Just a quick question.
Hal, maybe that's our mission.
What say you, Agent Daisy?
Is it really just noise, or are those animals telling each other something? Maybe we go undercover to see if we can find out.
Come on, they're not actually saying anything. They're just making funny animal sounds.
Maybe. Or do the animal sounds mean something?
Oh, that's a good question. I mean, do they? Do the sounds mean something? Oh, I want to know. Okay, listen up, agents of the great outdoors. This is our super secret spy mission. We're going undercover to find out if those noises animals make are their way of talking to each other. Yeah! And whoever finds the answer will get the Golden Badge of Honor! Oh, it's so golden and so badgy and all at the same time. I've always wanted one of those. Then come on! There's a quack from a duck. There's a call from a crow. Are they saying anything? Hey, we want to know. We'll find out. Yeah, we're gonna explore. We're the agents of the great outdoors.
From the howl of the wolf
To the raven squawk.
when they're making those sounds, it's like when we talk.
That's a great question. One we can't ignore. We're the agents of the great outdoors. Going undercover. Yeah, we're super spies.
Gonna listen with our ears. We're gonna watch with our eyes.
Gonna use all our senses while we investigate.
To find if animals can communicate. Listen to the buzz.
Listen to the squeal.
Listen to the screech.
Listen to the roar.
We're the agents of the great outdoors. We know lots of stuff, and we want to know more. We're the agents of the great. We're the agents of the great. We're the agents of the great outdoors. All right, agents, let's go undercover. Let's find out if these ducks communicate. Agent Hal is on the case. Hi, Ducks. It's me, Hal. Important business here. So I was wondering... Nope. Those ducks do not communicate.
How do you know, Hal?
Because they just swam away when I tried to talk to them. Very rude.
Well, maybe ducks just don't communicate in the same way that we do. Or maybe Hal just scared them.
Agent Daisy, do you want to handle this assignment?
Man, oh man, do I. Agent Daisy is on the case.
Agent Daisy, do you see the ducks? Over.
Scanning the area now, Agent Nature Cat. Bingo! I found the ducks. The mama and her 5 ducklings.
Stay with them, Agent Daisy. Over.
Roger that. All right, the ducklings are following the mama duck. They are making a little noise, but I can't tell if it means anything. Uh-oh, the ducklings just got separated from the mama duck.
Oh, no! You gotta do something!
Wait, Agent Daisy, hold your position.
Keep watching and see what happens. Over.
Roger that. Oh, the mama duck is calling.
Is she trying to communicate?
Too early to tell, Agent Squeaks. 2 of the ducklings heard the mama's sounds and are swimming back to her.
Oh, maybe they know their mama's call. Too cute, too cute, too cute. Overload, overload, overload.
What's happening with the other ducklings? Over.
Oh, the mama called again, and I'm very happy to report the ducklings are back together.
Hooray! So, Agent Daisy, do ducks communicate? Over.
Yes, I think the mama duck was communicating with the ducklings. And from what I observed, I think the ducklings understood their mama's calls.
So, ducks do communicate. And for your amazing service to the agents of the great outdoors, I present thee, Agent Daisy, with the Golden Badge of Honor!
Oh, the Golden Badge of Honor!